Today, you will learn how to delete a text box in Word document the correct way. Many beginners try to remove a text box but end up deleting only the text inside it, while the box itself remains on the page. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Word document and find the text box you want to remove. The most important step here is selecting the text box correctly. This is where most people make a mistake. If you click inside the text box, you're only selecting the text. Pressing delete at this point will remove the words, but the box will still be there. To delete the whole text box, move your mouse to the outer edge or border of the text box. When you click on the border, you will see small sizing handles appear around it. This means the entire text box is selected, not just the text inside. Now simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. The entire text box will disappear from the document. If for some reason the Delete key is not working, you can right-click on the border of the text box and choose Cut from the menu. This will also remove the text box completely. If your document contains many text boxes and you want to delete several of them together, you don't need to remove them one by one. Click on the outer edge of the first text box to select it. Then, hold the Control key on your keyboard and click the edges of the other text boxes you want to remove. You will see that multiple boxes are now selected. Press Delete once, and all the selected text boxes will be removed at the same time. Sometimes you might delete a text box by accident. Don't panic. Word makes it very easy to recover mistakes. Simply go to the top left corner and click the Undo button, or press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. The text box will come back exactly as it was before. It's very important to remember that precision matters when working with text boxes. Always make sure you are clicking on the border of the box if you want to remove the whole thing. Clicking inside only edits or deletes the text, not the box. If you found this tutorial helpful and easy to understand, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more simple Word tutorials that make your work faster and easier.